Hey guys, in today's news update we want to talk about high blood pressure and specifically how I lowered my high blood pressure down to 120/70, and I did it without taking any medication, and I'll tell you all about that as we go through this video. My name is Arnold Broad from Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd like to leave me a question, you can do so in the comments section below this video. Now, let's take a look at how this whole thing works. So let me start by saying that my blood pressure was not crazy high. It wasn't 200 over something, 190 over something, but it was creeping up. And I couldn't stop it. I couldn't stop it with changing my diet. I couldn't stop it with exercise. It just kept creeping up little by little. And let me say at the beginning that you can do exactly what I did to lower my blood pressure. You can do that also. Now, I knew I really didn't want to go on the medication merry-go-round. I didn't want to go. I know if I went to my doctor and he would say, you know, here, take this, take that. And you know the medication merry-go-round I'm talking about. You start with a prescription, and then after some time, you get another prescription for the same thing, so you might be doing 2 at a time now. And after a while, you might be doing a whole cocktail of meds for whatever you have, in this case, high blood pressure. And then you got to take some medication to fix the side effects of the first medication. So it just goes around and around and around. Now, there was another reason I didn't want to go on the high blood pressure medication merry-go-round. And this applies specifically to men, because for men, a known side effect of high blood pressure meds is erectile dysfunction. So, no thanks. So besides this whole merry-go-round thing, I didn't really want to do the whole ED thing. So after doing a lot of research, I found a Nobel Prize-winning formula in something called nitric oxide. Happened about 15 years ago or so, and 3 American doctors won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering how nitric oxide works in the body and some of the important things it does. Something called nitric oxide therapy actually can reverse the damage to your cardiovascular system, your arteries and your veins, that causes high blood pressure. And it can do that reversal just like it did for me. And it can do it without any side effects. And that's pretty key in my mind. You can have the reversal, you can have the repair done without side effects. There are a bunch of nitric oxide products on the market. Now, most of them are geared to bodybuilders and gym folks. And the reason they take it is because it helps when they do workouts. They take it pre-workout. It sends blood to the muscles, and it gives them a better pump. So when they're out there weightlifting and stuff, and they look in a mirror, they get some vein popping and they get some muscle bulging. So it's kind of cool. Unfortunately, the effects are short-lived and therefore do not, I repeat, do not offer much, if any, therapeutic benefit. Looks great, no therapeutic benefit. After working at this for a while and doing research in over a number of months, I finally found a product that was specifically formulated to last in the body and therefore have therapeutic effect. And this product brought my blood pressure down from around 140/80 to 120/70 in under 3 months. Now, as I said at the beginning, my blood pressure wasn't sky high, but I have seen people bring their blood pressure down from 200/140 down to where mine was 140/80 or 90 in under the same 3-month period of time. Now, that's not where they want to be, eventually, but certainly better than 200/120, 130. I mean, that is catastrophically high. So it brings it down naturally by repairing the body. And this particular product is called Pro-Arginine Plus, and it's actually celebrating its 10th year of service to the health conscious community. It's not a newbie on the market. It's not somebody that just come out in a flash in the pan. In a couple of months they'll be gone. Been around for 10 years, holds a US patent for its formulation. Pro-Arginine Plus delivers something called nitric oxide therapy. And if you'd like to see a really good video on nitric oxide therapy and information on Pro-Arginine Plus, I've left links in the description below this video and in the comments section below this video, so you can take a look at that nitric oxide therapy video and see how it's going to work for high blood pressure. It works great for high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, complications of diabetes, some blood sugar issues, and for men, actually erectile dysfunction issues. So has a myriad of beneficial effects because it's really healing the cardiovascular system. Again, links are in the description below this video and in the comments section below this video. If you have any questions about the nitric oxide therapy video, this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. Or you can leave a question in the comments section below this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.